If I take coffee and cream and mix them together, they start off simple and separate, but soon they mix in complex swirls and patterns, and once it settles, it's unified in one simple color. So, what's the point? Well, here's a seemingly unrelated question. Why do we exist?
I mean, if you think about it, it seems quite ridiculous actually. After all, the universe is governed by just four forces: electromagnetism, the weak and strong interactions, and gravity. These act on just a few other particles such as electrons and quarks. So how can such simple rules and players create extremely complex systems, from galaxies to the human body? Let's go back to our coffee and cream. When I stir the coffee, the liquid is moving at different speeds throughout. A particle nowhere near the spoon may barely move, but a particle near the spoon moves faster because it's being forced around it. The differing speeds caused by the stir creates greater entropy, or disorder. This initial instability leads to complexity such as swirls and vortices, with boundaries that look almost like fractals.
But complexity as a result of increasing entropy isn't something you only find in coffee.
The instability in the asthenosphere below my feet creates convection that is responsible for plate tectonics, earthquakes, and volcanoes. The instability caused by variation in the depth and temperature of the ocean creates currents such as the Gulf Stream. The origin of life itself may be at least partly a product of instability due to lipids having one end attracted to water and the other scared of water. This causes them to organize into micelles or bilayers, the latter of which are in every cell in your body. But perhaps most important is that all the matter in the universe itself is a product of instability. After the Big Bang, matter and antimatter spawned in pairs from photons that rapidly annihilated each other. But a very slight imbalance caused some pairs with only matter to appear. This instability is responsible for all the matter in the universe, as well as the complexity of our universe as it disorders itself.
Remember our coffee? After its brief moments of complexity, it mixes into a solid, boring state. The final part to this is that initial instability, low entropy, will always result in stability, high entropy. With time, you and I will be gone. The Earth will die, the stars will fade, even black holes will succumb to the power of time and entropy. Far, far in the future, nothing will ever change, and the universe will become non-existent.
Sean Carroll writes, in the big picture, the main inspiration for this video, this. Those swirls and the cream mixing into the coffee, that's us. Ephemeral patterns of complexity, riding a wave of increasing entropy, from simple beginnings to a simple end. We should enjoy the ride.